Okay, I think we got green sky. What is this? Is that green sky? I don't know. Yeah, it looks like there's green sky from the storm system that I start. Oh yeah, I saw lighting right there. Is that a needle siren at distance? Yeah, we're tracking tornado. Yeah, we expect to being in storm around this area. We expect to be. Yeah, there's green sky. That green sky. That white. That white is white tree. Not normal. Oh, I think I did get that thunder. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. Was it only massive thunder? Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah. Thunder. I got that. Yeah. Oh wow. There was a under thunder. I did get that. But you can see it's coming. Oh yeah. I got this part. But there's loud thunder. And look like it's recycling. Yeah, you can see there's green sky over there. There's thunder. I got that. I got that one. Oh yeah. Got it. Yeah, tracking storm is cool. But tracking violent storm is more cool. Wind started picking up. I want to get it under thunder. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, there's the smell when there's storm. Wow. I got that. Oh yeah. Real storm. That's real storm. Not like the only time that was a simple rotation. I was wrong, yes. That real thunderstorm. Severe thunderstorm. Oh, yeah, I got the alert. We just got the severe thunderstorm warning for Gatineau. And I'm at Gatineau, so. Oh, yeah. You can see. Yeah, there's rain over there. You can see this rain and this thing. Then. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Thunder are really around this area and this area. Oh! Emergency vehicle. That means they're responding to some thunderstorm probably so for some damage because they're violent storm. Oh yeah. Look at it. It's right there. Yeah, it's smelling more and more. Yeah, there's green. Oh wow. I didn't expect to be some really big storm. But in Quebec there's really thunderstorm, really big storm, really violent storm. Everything. Yeah, we have a beautiful view of the green that is coming from this way. Oh wow! That was around here. Oh wow. Storm chasing, tracking some beautiful storm that is forming around for a severe thunderstorm. Yeah. Wind. Oh yeah. Things are moving. It's moving around. It's moving from people that want to escape from this storm system that are. Oh wow. Extraction. Oh! I got that! Oh wow. Oh my god, I'm shaking right now. That was so close. Oh yeah. Raindrop is speeding around here. Oh yeah, he's speeding. You can see he's speeding over there. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can hear a massive wind. Not the car, but... Oh yeah, I already hear freaking wind. Is that... Oh wow. Drain over there. We have a little funnel. Oh! Oh! Oh yeah. Let me make... Oh! Wall cloud! Wall cloud right here. Yeah, I take a photo from this. Oh yeah. Wall cloud. Oh, there was lighting. Can see that it's green. Yeah, it's extremely green over there. Near the... Yeah, there's green. Insane. That's insane. Insane. Well, that was harder than mine. So myself. Oh yeah, that's active. That active, really active storm. That. Yeah, it was here. It was around here. Oh yeah, it's getting darker. Really dark out here. Speeding. There was a wall cloud that was coming. Wall cloud. Oh. Oh, lighting. I think I got that. We have extremely green sky. We even have a wall cloud. We have siren. Siren going off. Look at this green over there. It's green. Yeah, wall cloud. We have massive wall cloud. Oh wow. Yup. Yup. That's something. That's something. Do we have tornado forming right here? Oh! Woo! Okay. Okay. Dude, we have rotation right here that is forming. Tornado forming right here. Yeah, we have rotation and... Oh wow. You can hear it. It's completely dark. Cat owl is dark. Hard thunder. Oh! Raindrop from here. It started raining. Yeah. There comes the rain and the wind. There comes the rain. There's come the rain. There's come the rain. Oh! I got that! I got that on camera. I got that lighting. I got that insane lighting. Oh wow. Oh yep. Wind. Oh yeah, there's ice wind that's coming. Oh. Oh, the wind is the wind is passing me. Wind is passing me right now. We have green. The wind was passing me. Yeah, we have severe thunderstorm warning. Okay, severe thunderstorm warning. In my location. Yeah, massive storm. That means same the weather was. Oh! Oh wow! Power flash! No, there was power flash. Oh! There was lighting and at the same time to being power flash. Insane. That's insane. It's raining and it's raining. Yeah, we are on top of this storm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's raining hard. This can be massive hail. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, massive rain. Big rain. Yeah. There's massive rain. Oh! I got the lighting, I think I see it on my camera. Yeah, there's funnel over there. Guys, it's raining hard. Yeah, it's raining hard. No, for you. I'm going security. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh! Oh wow. It's raining hard. Oh! On top of us. Oh yeah, on top of us. Yeah, tracking storm. It's insane. Insane. Yeah, rain is coming, but we still... Wall cloud is right here. Wall cloud is right here. Oh yeah. You can see the dream. Oh yeah, you can see the dream. That dream. Oh yeah, I almost fell. Lol. Oh, dream. Look at this dream. It's blue, light hail. Yeah, we have rain wall right here. Tornado right here. We have a tornado. I need to get inside right now. Oh! 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 I got that! Oh yeah! Wall cloud is right here! Right on top of us! We just traversed the wall cloud. Wind is picking up. Is that hail? Yeah, we currently have hail. Il a commencé à drêler, frère. Il commençait à drêler, ils entendent les drêlons frapper. Massive wind. yeah, big win. We have flooding right now. It's already flooding. It's raining so hard. Oh yeah, we're gonna lose electricity. There is some power flash. Power flash. Yeah, it's hailing right now. Just in here. Ça filme tout. Tu vois-tu, le vent il recommence à se lever. On risque de voir les poteaux électriques tomber. Hein. Les fils électriques. Les poteaux téléphoniques tomber. Hein. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Rain is coming down, bro. Yeah, the wind is picking up really fast. Okay. Taking a look. Oh yeah, it was lighting. Still raining hard. I'm trying. Oh yeah, we have insane rain. Three are going. Three are going. We're gonna lose power. We're gonna lose power. Yeah, we're gonna lose power. These three are about to fail. Yeah, these three are about to fail right into the power line. Oh yeah, these three gonna fall into the power line. Yeah, these three are... One of these three is about to fail. Oh yeah, power flash. I got that power flash. I got that power flash. Yup. You can see the green over there. There's green. On a power flash. Oh my god, our pool is getting flood. Our pool is getting flood. Oh yeah, thunder. Yeah, ice wind is coming back. Is that the hail is coming back? Yeah, we're gonna lose power. Tree. Yeah, tree fell out there. Oh, undersea thunderstorm warning. Our pool is flooding. Our pool is flood. Look at it. You can see in the camera that our pool is freaking flood. Is flood. Holy shit. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god, my mom is not home. Oh yeah. Getting bad. For Polar power class. I saw one over there. When it's really picking up. Oh yeah. And when I saw the wall cloud, I was like, uh-oh, it's gonna be hard. And yes, it's hard. Storm. That. Yeah, really. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's moving. Trees are moving. Trees are moving bad. It's getting bad. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I know we're gonna get massive flood. It's restarted to hailing. I can see white dot. I can see white thing in the pool. There's hail in the pool. Oh yeah. Okay. I know we have. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, we are returning to high wind. Yeah. Yeah, these storms just calm down. I'm going outside to sick. Oh yeah. Yeah. You have the wall cloud right here. The hand of the violent storm. We still have flooding. Oh yeah. Oh no, there's only wall. That's the only wall cloud. Oh yeah. I can hear high wind at distance from here. From here. Oh! I got that! Oh yeah. You can see this thing gonna flood. We even have flood over there. Oh yeah. Wind is picking up. Wind is picking up. Wind is picking up like a hurricane. Oh yeah. Wind is getting bad. The storm is getting bad. Yeah, the storm is getting bad right now. Oh yeah. Yeah, the storm is getting extremely bad. People are driving out here and people are just walking while there's some extreme thunderstorm warning. There's some extreme thunderstorm warning. And yeah, pool is freaking flooded. These roads are flooded. Over there is flooding. Yeah. Yeah, we maybe have damage. Yeah. Oh yeah, wind is picking up. Wind is picking up. Wind is picking up. Wind is picking up. Yeah, wind is picking up, huh? Wind is picking up. We have rain. Oh yeah. We have insane rain. Oh! I got that! I got that! I got that shit! Oh yeah! Yeah, it's getting hard. It's raining. Oh yeah, wind. Oh! That was a twin. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! There's car flash. Yeah, I saw. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I back. Okay. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. I can hear a freaking. I just hear something like that. That means there's ice wind that are coming. Wind is picking up. I saw hail. I saw a hail. Like this. I saw a hail. Oh yeah, it's hailing. I saw a hail. It's still hailing. Okay, there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there was fire flash. Somewhere around here there was fire flash. The pool is flooding right now. That's a entire flood. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 Oh yeah. Oh. 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 Right. Okay. Oh yeah. We still have this flooding. It's still getting more and more flood. Oh yeah, there was flooding. Can see. Oh yeah, do you see? Gonna get one. You see? There's flood. Yeah. Yeah, I can see flooding in my camera right now. Oh! I see that. I saw that hill that hit this zip. Still waiting until it stops storming. Yeah, let me check that out. I hear a helicopter. Oh, okay. Okay, so just sticking around. Yeah. There's still thunder this direction, but it's the hand. There's no more thunder. There's no more thunderstorm. Yeah, I can see that we leave the walkout over there. There's no more storm. We just rain. Yes. Yeah, there's mud over there. Oh yeah, there's flood. Yeah, it's flood over there. Yeah, flooding. Oh yeah, the parking is flood. Check if they are flood. Yeah, we have a little bit of flood. 6. Don't know if there's more flood. Yeah, just the same level of flood. It's really muddy. There's evacuation. It's cold. There's no more wind. We leave this storm. Second. Here. You can see the water. Yeah. Going this way. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Big tree fell. Oh yeah. That tree just fell on the ground.